got the radiator support here, taken off this front end section here. I'm gonna send this out for powder coating. And I'm also gonna do the fender wells as well. I'm gonna have the fender wells powder coated. They're in pretty good shape, so I'm gonna have these powder coated along with some other brackets and stuff too. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, I'm here at the powder coating place, American Fabrication. Coming to pick up the parts. It looks good. These guys do an outstanding job. Check it out. It's looking good. Okay, I'm here at American Fabrication getting ready to pick up my fender wells. Check them out. Came out really nice. Another sweet job. All right, so I am working on assembling the front core support and everything. You can see the fender wells there on the ground. I got a grill support bracket sitting in that fender well there, and I found out that I was missing one that was not on the car, so I had to look for one, and I actually found one and bought it, so I'm waiting that to get shipped to me. Then I'm going to send it out for powder coating. When I was getting everything back together, just kind of seeing where everything's going to go, I discovered that I did not have the AC condenser brackets. There's some brackets that go on the left and the right of the core support, as we're looking at it right now, to hold the AC condenser. And there's also a bracket that holds a canister, the air dryer canister as well. So I did not have any of that. So the last couple days I've been looking, and I actually scored one this morning, and I ordered that, or I picked it up from somebody. And so as soon as I get that, I'm going to send it out for powder coating. So I'll keep you guys posted when those come in. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what everything looks like, how it's came together. I wanted you also to take a look at the core support bushings that I just put on. I really had a difficult time getting the bolts and the washers and the nuts for these core support bushings. Everybody had them on back ordered. I had ordered them somewhere and they'd cancel my order. I went to the big box stores, couldn't find them. It's a 7/16 bolt. It's a little over 3 inches in length. And what I ended up doing is I actually found an old school hardware store locally in my town, and they actually had exactly what I needed. The thick washers that I needed, I bought lock nuts and also lock washers per factory. And so I'm good to go. And you guys like and subscribe and keep following along my journey here. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.